The Ganga, a river worshipped as a goddess, flows from the Himalayas to the Bay of Bengal. Her waters sustain millions, weaving through India's heart, a symbol of faith and life. Join us as we trace her path, exploring the lives she touches and the stories she carries. High in the Himalayas, the Ganga is born from melting glaciers. The Bhagirathi and Alaknanda streams emerge, carrying the legacy of the mountains. At Devprayag, these rivers converge, marking the true birth of the Ganga. This confluence is a spectacle of raw power and beauty,